In this video, I will show you how to create a zip file on your Windows laptop or PC. Before getting started, let's quickly discuss what a zip file is. A zip file is a compressed folder that can contain one or more files or folders. It reduces the overall size of the data and makes it easier to manage and share. Think of it as putting several items into one box. It keeps everything neat and tidy. To begin creating your zip file, start by selecting all the files you wish to compress. You can easily do this using your mouse pointer by clicking and dragging over the files. Alternatively, if you want to select everything in the folder quickly, simply press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Now that all desired files are selected, right-click anywhere within the highlighted area. This action will bring up a context menu with several options available. From here, click on Show More Options. Next, hover over Send to in this expanded menu. Here you'll find various options for sending your selected items. Look for Compressed Zipped Folder and select it. Windows will automatically create a new zip file in the same location as your original files. You'll see it appear almost instantly. If you'd like, you can rename this newly created zip. Keeping it relevant helps ensure easy identification of its contents later. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.